भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की आई हार्टली वेलकम you to the PMS Samachar channel from the international world. The Republic of India and the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal initiated their relationship with the 1950 Indo-Nepal Treaty of Peace and Friendship and accompanying secret letters that defined security relations between the two countries and an agreement governing both bilateral trade and trade transcending Indian territory. The Indian Army gave a biting reply to the ceasefire violation on the LOC, causing having damage to several posts. Pak Army children of PMS make over 500 education video in the lockdown. In the hot summer, the Prima Lok Mission School arranged water grains of words in a school in Samastipur, Bihar has given the shape of its school and is studying with children. The Godavari is India's second longest river after the Ganga. It flows east for 1,565 kilometers, measuring up to 3,12,812 kilometers square. It forms one of the largest river basins in the Indian subcontinent, with only the Ganga and Indus River having a larger drainage basin in terms of the length, catchment area and discharge. The Godavari is the largest in peninsular India and had been dubbed as the Vriddha Ganga. The history of mobile phones cover communication devices that connect wirelessly to the public switched telephone network. The first devices that were wireless mobile and also capable of connecting to the standard telephone network are much more recent. The first such devices were widely portable compared to today's compact handheld devices, and their usage was clumsy. In 1908, Professor Albert Janka and the Auckland Transcontinental Aerial Telephone and Power Company claimed to have developed a wireless telephone. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics. His work is also known for its influence on the philosophy of science. He is best known to the general public for his mass energy equivalence formula equals to mc square, which has been dubbed the world's most famous equation. He received the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics for his services to theoretical physics and especially for his discovery of the photoelectric effect, a pivotal step in the development of quantum theory. Odisha, also formerly Orissa, is an Indian state located on the eastern India. It neighbors the states of West Bengal and Jharkhand to the north, Chhattisgarh to the west and Andhra Pradesh to the south. Odisha has an coastline of 485 kilometers along the Bay of Bengal. It is the 8th largest state by area and the 9th largest state by population. This state has the 3rd largest population of scheduled tribes in India. Sorghum bicolor, commonly called sorghum and also known as great millet. Zwar or millo is a grass species cultivated for its grain, which is used for food for humans, animal feed and ethanol production. Sorghum originated in Africa and is now cultivated widely in tropical and subtropical regions. Sorghum is the world's 5th most important cereal crop after rice, wheat, maize and barley. Harsingar is a flowering plant of high ornamental medicinal value. The soothing and calming fragrance of its beautiful white flowers is loved and cherished by many. The benefits of Harsingar: leaves cough, reduces fever. The Alfonso mango is a named mango cultivator that originated in India. Favored for its sweetness, richness and flavor, the Alfonso has been called the king of mangoes. The benefits of Alfonso mango help in digestion, aids weight loss, lower cholesterol. Lotus position or Padmasana is a cross-legged meditation pose from ancient India in which each foot is placed on the opposite thigh. It is an ancient asana in yoga, predating Hatha yoga, and is widely used for meditation in Hindu, Tantra, Jain, and Buddhist traditions. The benefits of lotus position: improves digestion, strengthens knee and ankle joints, awakens your consciousness. The Indian Ocean is the largest of the world's oceanic divisions, covering 7 crore 5,60,000 kilometers square or 90.8% of the water on Earth's surface. It is bounded by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, and Australia to the east. To south, it is bounded by the Southern Ocean or Antarctica, depending on the definition in use. Along its core, the Indian Ocean has some marginal or regional seas such as the Arabian Sea, the Lacedae Sea, the Somali Sea, Bay of Bengal, and the Andaman Sea. Geometry is an ancient science and an important branch of mathematics. The ancient mathematician Euclid is credited as the father of geometry, who used the word formally in his book Elements. It is derived from ancient Greek word geometron, meaning to measure the earth. For an elementary or middle school student, it is all about different basic shapes, including their meaning, geometry, and formulas related to their areas and volumes. Cumin is a flowering plant in the family Apiaceae, native to southwestern Asia, including the Middle East. Seeds, each one contained within a fruit which is dried, are used in cuisines of miniatures in both whole and ground form. Although cumin is thought to have usage in traditional medicine, there is no high quality evidence that it is safe or effective as a therapeutic agent. Today's event: Peanut Butter Cookies Day, Loving Day, Superman Day, Red Rose Day. 12 June is the 163rd day of the year in Georgian calendar. 202 days remain until the end of the year. 1381 Peasant Revolt and England rivers arrived the Blackheath. Monsoon will knock in Bihar in next 48 hours. Warning of rain in eastern Bihar. Today's temperature 29 degrees Celsius. In Delhi 32 degrees Celsius. The Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration, awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. Paramveer Chakra translates as the wheel of the ultimate brave, and the award is granted for most conspicuous bravery in the presence of enemy. Sports: Major League Soccer match will begin next month at the empty stadium. Now let's start the pronunciation of some words. Asthma, astha and ma. Long, asthma. Breakfast, breaka and fast. The wrong word, breakfast. Dengue, dengue, and the wrong word, dengue. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ओम द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष गों शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।